Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock for soup. Making homemade chicken stock is a simple process that adds incredible depth of flavor to your dishes. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients, focusing on a good base of chicken bones and fresh aromatics. This foundational step ensures a rich and savory liquid, perfect for any soup or sauce you plan to create. Let's get started on building that delicious flavor. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's prepare them for cooking. Roughly chopping your vegetables helps release their flavors into the stock. Combine everything in a large pot, then add cold water to cover. Bringing it to a boil slowly and then reducing it to a gentle simmer is key. This slow cooking process allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a truly robust stock. As your stock begins to simmer, you'll notice some foam appearing on the surface. It's important to skim this off during the initial 30 minutes to ensure a clear and clean stock. Keep the heat very low, just a gentle simmer, to prevent cloudiness. Allow your stock to cook for at least 4 hours or even up to 8 hours. This extended cooking time is crucial for extracting all the rich flavors and beneficial collagen from the chicken bones. Once your stock has simmered to perfection, it's time for the final step, straining. Carefully pour the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the solids. This leaves you with a beautiful, clear liquid. Allow the stock to cool completely before storing it. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it in smaller portions for several months, ready to enhance your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.